Hello everybody! My name is Catatonic Lemon, and welcome back to some more of our favorite monkey pal, and, you know, all that good stuff. So, yeah, we have a plethora of characters to choose from, you know, again, we got all sorts of people, Jam, and and Baby with his cool robot and stuff. This guy has a cool robot. We're gonna beat this guy.
Doctor.
But I didn't know you literally can jump, but you have to buy it, like, in the, with your monkey points or banana points or whatever it's called. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and, we don't have that yet because I spent all my points, you know. Anyways, I guess we'll do normal for, I think this is the second one. But yeah, I love this game. It's so much fun. It just brings me joy, you know.
Ready?
Super Monkey Ball. He's got a little robot skeleton. Let's see, can we... Oh, I was gonna skip that part. You know, we'll do it the normal way since, you know, I don't want to be too daring or anything. The normal levels are super normal difficulty, if you know what I mean. But I'm wondering though, with the jump, I bet expert, like I'm gonna try a bunch of the expert stuff after I like get the jump. That would be lots of fun, I think.
Ready?
I think it's like 30,000 points or something crazy like that. Alright, not too difficult. Oh, look at that. We're just flying through this. Oh, dear. I don't know what happened there.
Ready?
I was just gonna say, are you sure this is a monkey and not a jet plane, you know? Because we're just flying so fast. Maybe we'll just go like this. I don't like how he literally decided he's literally just gonna fall out. Maybe he chose that. Oh dear. This is an easy level, but I died to it already. Could you believe it?
Ready?
The music is popping as always. Go to a little secret back here. Make it a little bit slower. Oh, watch me still die. Never mind. I wonder what the point of collecting the bananas are. Does it do anything? Heck if I know. Ooh, coaster. We're just gonna coast straight down this thing. I like the way that this robot, like, he says stuff. He's like, yeah! Although I guess it's just a costume for the doctor, which I had never seen before because I've only played the first and the second one on the GameCube, so I don't know anything about any of the other ones. Although I know Sonic. Sonic's a fan favorite of mine. Oh dear. Just because good old Sonic, that was a big part of my childhood, you know. Playing good old Sonic Adventure and such.
Ready? Go!
Wait, is this a bonus? I wasn't paying attention. It probably is. But, oh well. Yeah, I think that was the bonus. Number 6, Swell.
Ready?
Oh, it's this one. It is Swell, isn't it? It's just, it's so swell. Alright, I don't remember how to do this one. It's been forever. I think we just kinda... Oh! Oh, we don't want to do that. There we go. Alright, cool. Hopefully everything worked properly.
Ready? Go!
Yeah, we're all good. We're just gonna go down. Ooh. Ooh, that hurts the eyes. Ooh! Oh! Dear Lord, if he lands on this thing, oh my god.
Fall out.
You know, on the GameCube, I never had trouble with this level. Although I guess if I'm gonna have trouble with the level, it's gonna be an easy one, right? So I'm built different, as the cool kids say. We're just gonna let him stay here. We're not gonna bother, like, trying to go too fast or anything. That wouldn't be good. We're just gonna... That's really a sight for sore eyes, though, if I say so myself. We got a lot of the bananas that time. It's hard not to, though, I guess.
Ready?
Alright, what is this one? We're gonna go like this. Oh, it's this one. Oh dear. Oh shoot. We're not gonna make it. Oh! I wasn't paying attention.
Ready? Go.
That's what I do best, you know. Uh-oh, somebody's calling me. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Shoot.
Fall out.
Well, I can't answer them now, so we'll have to do that another time. Right now, I'm playing some good old monkey ball. Okay, I don't remember if we're... Oh, shoot. Ooh. You know what? We're gonna go with one of the other ones here. Maybe that'll be easier. Hopefully I can actually beat the normal mode. I'd like to think of myself as a pretty normal kind of player here. I guess we just gotta wait for it to completely phase out here. That way we can get to that good old goal post. Or whatever the heck. I always thought of it as soccer, I guess, but... Uh-oh. Somebody's calling. I can't take a call! No! Hold on, I gotta,
Ready? Go.
There we go. Hopefully that's alright. Alright, what is this one? Oh god, it's this one. We're gonna die. Oh, I should've... That's weird. Anyway. Alright. Pardon that interruption, you know. They say. Got some monkey ball to play here. This one should be a lot easier. Oh! No. I'm assuming the bananas are the safe spots, right? There we go. Alright, I don't think we're gonna get 30,000 bananas by the end of this fight.
Ready? Go.
Oh dear. Maybe we will, it's like 40 levels, so... I don't know. Okay, oh, I forgot about this one. Oh. Can we make it? Yeah! Oh, look at that, first try. Out of all the levels, first try was that one. Okay, this isn't that bad, I remember this one. Little Robo monkey here he can blaze through this. I think the key is to go like right in the middle, right? Or something. Oh dear. I love the noises they make and I love like, oh no! Yes! I love the noises they make in like the music, it's so great. Soothing, he's just like, yak, yak! This kind of random gibberish.
Ready? Go!
Oh god, this one is annoying. Oh, I remember this one. Gotta like land them exactly perfectly here. I don't even remember exactly where it is. Is it right here? It stops right about there, I think. Yeah. So we gotta get ready and burst in the door here. Oh, no. A little bit to the left here. We might not have a lot of time left, but we're gonna blaze right into this. Cut it open here. Oh wait, was that not the right time? No. Okay. We got one shot at this, I guess. Shoot! Wrong way. So right at this banana here.
Hurry up. 10,
Yeah, I know. I'm
9,
sorry.
8, 7, 6, 5.
Yeah, look at that!
3, 2. Oh
no! No! Oh! Yeah, woo indeed. Buzzer beater right there.
Ready? Go!
Stepping stones. This is an annoying one if I remember too. Correctly. Oh dear. All I gotta do is not land on that. Should be good. Yeah. Sounds like a... Literally reminds me of Tom and Jerry, the way that he sounds. Right. Ooh! First try! I did not expect that. God, those extra levels, I can see them coming and being really annoying.
Ready? Go!
Okay. We're gonna go with the good old slow down time. Or normal time, or whatever the heck. I also realized, literally just recently, that there are like green ones, like green gates or whatever, that like if you go through them, it warps you through like half the levels. I gotta keep an eye out for those, unless I should just play all of them like normal, which I probably should, but... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh. Oh, look at that! We even got half the bananas that time. We're a pro. Look at us. Oh boy. Alright, push bar. This is easy, I think. Yeah, you just go along the side. Oh, no, never mind. Oh my god. We're screwed! Come on. Alright, go, 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 go. Make it. Oh! Woo! Yeah! I love that little guy. Alright, this one I don't remember ever having issues with this one. Oh. Again, you know, never failed that one before, but today's the best time to fail, you know, just remember that. It's a good saying to live by. Today's the best day to fail. Oh my god. Oh, there's a green one. Should we go for it? You know what? I will. Why not? Oh. Oh, he survived. How did he survive? I don't even know where this is gonna take me. 18! Where even was I? I probably shouldn't have skipped all of them, because it's more fun to play them, but...
Ready?
I don't even know how many that actually flipped. Oh god, oh god. Oh, we're screwed.
Fall out.
I wonder if I can go the straight way through this. Oh, oh, perfect. No, maybe. Oh! Oh, come on!
Fall out. Ready? Go!
Almost halfway through. Come on. We almost made it. No, maybe not. Come on! You shouldn't be able to fly through that.
Ready? Go!
Come on. Oh, boy! Come on! Come on. Come on. Yeah! Only the 30th try there. My god. I have too much fun with this game.
Go!
I don't remember how, because there's probably some of these that are ridiculous. Even on the normal difficulty. I don't think it's this one. This one's not that bad, I don't think. It might be annoying because there's probably not that much time, I don't think, but... If I remember correctly. This requires utter focus. Oh, who am I kidding? That was easy. I thought that one didn't have enough time. Or at least I remembered, but... Man, my nose just got stuffy out of nowhere.
Ready? Go!
Is this a bonus one? I wasn't paying attention. Maybe not. It might be. I'm not sure what the point of bonuses are. I'm sure there's some kind of point. Alright, ooh, we did that record speed, lightning speed. Oh, this one.
Ready?
This isn't that bad. You just gotta pause it at the right time. Oh, come on. What? Wait, you can't pause that one? Are you kidding? God knows. Come on, where? There we go. You know, I want to get the green one, but that's like really annoying, so I'm not gonna do that. Do that dubstep.
Ready?
Not really a fan of that, but that's pretty sick beats. Fat beatsies, you know, as they call it. Okay, how do we do this? This one is kind of annoying. Yeah.
Ready? Go.
I'm betting you stop at the bananas up here, and then you just kind of, yeah.
Ready?
I don't even know where we are. Are we like number 20 or something?
Fall out.
Do we just want to go straight through it?
Ready?
Maybe we do. Just stutter step it there.
Fall out.
There's no
Ready?
slower speed.
Go. Fall out.
Oh, bro, this one is gonna be annoying.
Ready?
It's not even that bad. It's just I keep messing it up. There we go. Oh, shoot. We gotta get in a better rhythm. Dear Lord. Uh-oh. No! It took me like forever to...
Ready? Go.
God, this is taking way too long to beat this stupid level. The key is a good rhythm. Oh! Oh! Look at them fat rhythms right there. Blew through that one. What are we at? 23!
Ready?
Okay, we're like a little bit over halfway. I'm gonna hope for another green one. Dear Lord. Those extras, though, I think are ungodly annoying, but I don't remember, honestly. It's been forever. And in this one, in this version, because they, this is like obviously the new remake that they have, like all the new, like it's like the both of them combined and all that. There's, the extras I think you get no matter what. Like, you don't have to, like, it's not like, oh, it's not like the old one where you have to get, like, all, like, 40 levels with, like, no continues or whatever it is to get the extras.
Ready? Go.
Okay. Okay, this is... Is there a green one? No? Oh. Does this one move? Probably not. Oh, it does. Cool. No green one? I was wondering about that. Come on. Any day now. Does this one not move? Oh, no, it does. That was easy. Dynamic maze. More like, super easy maze. Triangle holes. Everybody loves those. Dear Lord. I don't remember this level.
Ready? Go.
Good thing our robot monkey pal can go right through this, no problem. Oh, what do you know? That was a joke, but he actually... Well, he heard that that was a joke, and he just said, screw you, I'm not gonna win the level for you up there. Oh my god, that was lightning fast. But then I guess he apologized to her or something. Oh my god.
Ready?
Not this one.
Go!
This one is ridiculous. This one is honestly ridiculous. Come on. I can't see the camera. Oh! Oh! First try! Where is that right there? Shit, does it move around? Oh my god! Luckiest level ever. I literally struggled so hard with that one before. I got so lucky. Okay, what is this one? I don't remember. Is this a hard one? Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe. Oh, they move. Okay, I see. Let me guess, there's a green one up at the top. It's literally impossible to do. Okay. There we go. That wasn't too bad. You never know, maybe I'll get enough points for literally the jump button after this. Oh my god. What the hang is this? I know, I think I remember this one. Shoot. Is there a green one? Probably. I really hate this one. You gotta wait. So they all turn around. Any day now. This one will eventually turn around, right? Or not? I don't even know.
Hurry up! 10.
Yeah, maybe it doesn't turn around. Maybe it's gotta wait.
7, 6, 5. Fall out.
He can make a nice soup there.
Ready?
Nice monkey stew there. Shoot.
Fall out. Ready? Go!
Yeah, dear lord. I forgot this had 40 levels. Is that the green one? Who knows? Oh my god, it was! I don't think I can get that one, though. I'm gonna try for it, because that's like instantaneous.
Ready? Go!
This green one flies throughout the night sky. Oh god almighty, we're not gonna get that. Go! Oh, we were so close. We were so close. I'm just gonna fall off because those are the only two I'm gonna aim for, honestly. Not even that hard, but you know. Oh, come on! What is this? I'm gonna spend like 30 minutes on this stupid level. If anybody can do it, it's this guy, though. And by this guy, I don't mean me. I mean this little robot monkey guy. Oh, come on. Too fast, too slow. What can I even do? You know what? We're just going to try for all these stupid ones. Until I die, because obviously... Because I'll probably die before I even finish this level now I think about it. Come on. Oh, we had it! Come on! Do they get progressively slower? Yeah, they do. Well, I kind of wish I knew that. That green one we could have had, though. 29. Well, I got like 10 levels left. God, this is brutal. Oh my god, it's these ones. The seesaw bridge. This is the most annoying thing ever. I mean, it's not that bad, but at least if I remember, you go around this, go around this, go around here, and then you shit the bed because, you know, why not?
Ready?
So you have to go around each one. A little annoying. They can go either side, but we'll pick this one, I guess. We did pretty good the first time. Alright. Number 2! Alright, we got the hard part. Maybe not. I was gonna say we did the hard part, but we really didn't. Just follow the bananas here and we got it. Alright. Just follow the banana path, you can never go wrong. Oh my god, maybe you can. Banana path, come on, come on!
Hurry up!
Oh,
10,
shoot.
9,
No! No!
7, 6,
It's gotta be faster.
Ready? Go!
Alright. Go! Why am I yawning all of a sudden? It's like 5 o'clock. We're gonna defy the banana path though. We're gonna go this way. Honestly, oh, that was close. Just follow the banana path. We'll be all good. Follow the yellow banana road. Okay. Even sounds like Mr. Krabs. Alright, follow banana path. We just gotta go fast here. Lots of speed, but we gotta curve it very, very quickly. Or else we're screwed. Okay, we did it.
6.
That was easy! Says me, who just spent like 30,000 years on this level. Oh my god.
Ready?
I think I briefly remember this one. I think you have to like land, you gotta stay here until it gets like... I don't remember, to be honest. I think it's like... Oh shoot. I guess you gotta wait for an exact moment in time. So, 10 seconds maybe? I don't remember, honestly. Some of these are harder than I remember. But... just gotta wait here, I guess. It'll come around eventually. Maybe every like 30 seconds. Yeah. Oh, come on! Come on! I spent like forever! Should I just gun this shit? Gun? No, I can't. God, this is annoying. Gotta wait 30 seconds every time. Stupid arthropod kicking me out of the way. Pretty sure, I don't even know what the heck I'm pretty sure arthropod means some kind of insect or something, but who knows, you know? I'm not a bio major. Okay. Maybe when I go a little bit faster here. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yeah! That's how we do it! 30th try's a charm. Normal. Oh my god.
Ready?
We're on the extras. I thought we weren't on the extra. I could have sworn that this had said 40 levels, unless it counts the extras. I thought it was 40 and then the extras. I was about to say, oh my god. This is easy though. We might not have enough time though if we don't go fast enough. Oh! What happened? Why are they closing faster now? I don't like that. That's okay. That's okay. They close way too fast. Oh! Oh my god, I've been playing this game for like 30 minutes.
Ready?
I don't know how many extras there are either, but... I'm guessing we have to hit that. Yeah, we do.
Fall out.
Shoot.
Ready? Go.
Nah, I shouldn't be tired. It's 5 o'clock. Oh god. What the heck is this?
Ready?
What is this sorcery? Oh my god.
Fall out.
Okay, we're just gonna gun this and try to go around it as best as we can. Oh my god.
Fall out.
I don't think I've ever played this level now that I think about it. Oh my god. Dear Lord!
Fall out.
Some of these are ridiculous.
Ready?
I kinda wanna use the helper, but I kinda don't, so we're not gonna do it for now.
Fall out.
Bro, I hit that!
Ready? Go.
No, okay. Okay, stay! Stay!
Fall out.
Bro, I was so close!
Ready? Go.
Oh my god. Come on. Shoot. I can't. I'm not even. Dear Lord. Dear Lord!
Fall out. Ready?
Oh my god. This is too funny. I don't even care if I die like 1,000 times. Yeah, what's this is right.
Ready? Go.
Oh my god, bro. I'm having too much fun. It doesn't even matter if I literally get destroyed by this level.
Fall out.
I kind of want to see what I'm supposed to do.
Go.
Turn on the helper, but we're not gonna do that. Okay. Stay! 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 Oh!
Ready? Go.
Let's go! Glad you finally said let's go. It's literally been 30 years. I don't even know how I did that. We need speed, it looks like. God, this is so lucky. This is a lucky level here. Bruh. We're not gonna make it. Nope. Nope. We gotta be faster than that.
Ready?
Oh my god. Okay, come on. Come on. Stay!
Fall out. Ready? Go.
Okay.
Fall out.
Go too fast? Don't go fast enough?
Go.
Literally. Make up your mind! Oh my god, I'm just about to quit this. Come on. God almighty. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, if I don't get this in like a couple tries, I'm just gonna I'm gonna give up. So the key is to go under the ball. I just realized that.
Ready? Go.
Oh man, I don't know about some of these extra levels though, man. I'm not sure I'll even do all of them. Oh.
Fall out.
Maybe not. I don't even know.
Ready?
It'll take me 30 hours to beat. Come on! Why?
Ready? Go.
Oh my god, come on. This is painful. I'm sure this is painful to watch too. If anything. I might just end the video, man.
Ready?
I don't want to play this anymore. God almighty. Come on. I like how I just threatened to quit the game and it gave me that win. Oh my god. This could be like a 3-hour video by the time this is over. Oh my god. Okay, this isn't so bad. This is an easy one. Oh, nice, it moves. I should have known it couldn't be that easy.
Ready? Go.
God, this... At least it's an easy level, for as far as I can tell. As far as I can tell, this is pretty easy. You know, I'm just gonna go right onto that one. I don't even...
Ready, go!
I'm just gonna run right up there. I don't even care. At this point, I've died enough times, I might as well just go fast at this point. There we go, we'll go right here. That was easy. Oh my god. No! No! You can't do this to me! I am... You can't do this to me. These are supposed to be fun. They're extra levels. Not torturous. Oh my god. We gotta speed up at the point of contact here. Because this thing literally is already taking off. Oh my god. We've come so far! Yes! My god. Are there 10 extras? Is that what it is?
Ready?
Oh my god, is this the one I think it is? I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, this is gonna be a crazy annoying. Oh, there it is. No! Oh my god. Where the heck is it? We didn't get there yet, did we? God, we're not gonna have enough time to actually win this. Go. Dude, we gotta start. Nice, of course we do. Why wouldn't we?
Hurry up! 10, 9,
Hey, I'm trying.
8, 7, 6,
Dear God.
5, 4,
Oh my god.
3,
Please.
2,
Please.
1,
Please!
0. Time over.
Oh, this is the longest video of Monkey Ball I probably will do, to be honest. Good lord. This shouldn't even be that bad. If I see something ridiculously hard, though, I might just say, screw that. Come on. Come on! You're right there! Oh my god. Where? Good god. This is frustrating. Dear god. Go! Yeah! This isn't a rage game! This isn't supposed to be a rage game! Good god. Okay. Come on. Let's switch up. Come on. No, 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 no! No! Not seeing me rage at Monkey Ball. Okay. We should be fine. Come on! Come on! Oh my god. Come on.
Hurry up!
Hurry up. I'm not even gonna have enough time to hurry up.
8,
Who do you think I even am?
6, 5,
Not the
4,
Monkey Ball
3,
god or anything.
2, 1, 0. Time over.
God knows. Well, I wouldn't even make it to the extras if it was actually continue based or whatever, like it was in the other one. Are we gonna give this another try? Good God, I'm about done playing this game for now, though. What are you doing? Oh my god. Every time I say I'm done, they just say, okay, sure, you can actually win. We'll let you win. Okay, this one, I don't really remember. I don't remember some of these. Is this one bad? I don't remember. Okay, maybe not. But maybe. Of course! You know, I'm just gonna say I'm done and then it'll let me win. I'm done playing. I'm not gonna even play this. Okay, well, I wasn't serious that time. Oh god, it's a long video. Okay. It's gonna take like 3 years to upload. Okay, what extra level are we even on? Heck if I know. Okay. We'll go like... No, we won't. Never mind. But does it tell me which one I'm on? View state. No. No. Okay. I did not expect this video to go on this long. Dear God. Let's just beat this for Pete's sake. Okay, I don't think it's in his genetics to beat this game.
Ready? Go!
We'll say we just turn this on, honestly. I don't even care. So there's probably a specific way we're supposed to do this. Okay, or you literally just... Okay, so... That's what we're supposed to do. Oh my god! We didn't even need the helper function. We're literally that good, we didn't even need the helper function. We finished this in plenty of time. Oh my god, oh my god. Dear God. Domes. Okay, we're almost there. I don't know what this one is. It's probably really annoying. But... Oh my god. I'm gonna tell you, I don't even want to do this one. I really don't. Dear God. He can't even do this one. By he, I mean me. Me can't do this one. Me can't do this one. Oh man, I might just literally skip this one. This one looks really annoying. Come on! This has gotta be luck based for this. God, my hand is hurting now. Come on! Oh, we had it! I already used the helper function, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. I don't even really care. Okay, so it looks like you're supposed to like go.
Ready? Go!
Oh my god. Dear God, I think I would have done better without the helper function.
Ready?
Oh wait, but it has slow motion, right? Yeah. That helps a lot, I think. Okay. Wow, slow motion makes this super easy. I need to get the jump function. If I get that, I'm gonna literally just beat every course here.
Ready?
I might should do that. I might should try some of the harder ones, but with oh my god. Oh my god. I should try some of the harder one, or the... I should try some of like... I should go back to like the normal or the easy ones and try it with jump and see how much, literally, how fast it is to do.
Ready? Go!
Okay, I really don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Heck if I know, I'm so close.
Ready?
I might use the helper function in all honesty, because I don't know what I'm doing for this one. There's clearly some kind of way you're supposed to go, that I'm not getting. Maybe like this? No. No. Oh my god. Yeah, where are you? I don't know what to do for this
Ready?
one.
Go.
I don't have a clue. Maybe, like, do we stay here? Oh my god, turn around. Do we just stay here? Oh, this is gonna knock me out. Yep. Why is it telling me to go that way?
Ready? Go.
Bro, I don't know. Maybe we'll go like this. We'll just follow the goal. Oh, shoot. No. No. We're just gonna follow the goal. I'm literally just randomly. I'm just like... I'm not even doing good anymore at this game. Literally just kind of sitting here, you're watching me die for like 30 times. Okay, maybe we can go this way. Will that work better? Oh my god. Nice, nice, okay. I think we have some kind of idea now. After, you know, 30 years later. We have an idea of like maybe what we're supposed to do. Oh my god, we shouldn't use... I might just give up. This is extra 7 though, we're so close. Come on. Come on. Turn around! Oh my god. I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna give this like a couple more tries and then I'm just gonna say this is the end of the video because honestly, I'm getting frustrated. Okay, turn around. Slow down. Slow down. Okay, yeah, we're done. We're done. We got most of the extras done. Part of me doesn't want to be done though, because I don't even care. Ooh. Part of me just wants to actually beat this for once. My life. It's taken me like 30 years, but... We just gotta slow down. Slow down. We gotta turn. Oh my god. This is really annoying. There's probably an easy way to do this, but... Chasing down this stupid goal. It probably stops at another point. Yep, it does. I think the key is... Is it up here that it stops? Shoot, I don't know. Maybe. Come on! You sacrifice! I don't even... So it stops there, and it stops at the end here, I think. Okay, you know what?
Ready? Go.
I don't know if it counts or not, but we're gonna mark this one as clear, just because I don't even... It's been like 30 years trying that level.
Ready?
What's this one?
Go.
Oh boy, I don't even think I can beat these ones, to be honest. But I still want to get the bananas necessary for the jump, because if we got jump, we could probably beat all of these ones, honestly. Like, really, like, a lot easier. I'm gonna try to beat the rest of them. Oh man, I don't like these. How long is this level? Oh my god. Oh my god. You... I was about to have a heart attack. EX9.
Ready? Go.
We are not doing it. We are going this way. Oh my god. Is this even possible? Is this even remotely possible?
Fall out.
This is one with a jump. It's still probably ridiculous. I can't wait to get the jump because I bet this would be so much more fun. I know it would be easier, I guess, but... Dear God. Oh my God. We did it! Oh my God. 50 minutes later. And we're about to beat... Although that's not that bad, right?
Final stage.
Because technically that's like... There's like 40 levels or 50 levels, so that's not that bad. Oh, no way. Wait. Is that what you're supposed to do? Shoot, I don't know. I'm confused.
Hurry up! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
I don't think I did that right.
3,
We're just gonna die.
2,
Or not.
1, 0.
God, that was... This video took way longer than I thought. Man, my nose is getting stuffy out of nowhere. Okay. How about this? I don't think I did that right again. Nope, you're supposed to bounce off. I had it, though. That's not that hard. I missed like 2 of those because they were so ungodly annoying I couldn't do it. But this one shouldn't be that bad. It's gotta bounce right into it. Come on. Dear God. Okay, so it's like, it takes like a second to do.
Ready?
Man, my nose. Oh, God. Wow, this Robo Monkey has seen some shit, though, man. But he's still smiling and giggling, and he won. Oh my God, that was... That Fallout 38 times. Bruh. We didn't even win that one, technically. Because to do that, I guess you have to, like, legitimately beat the whole thing, like, and not... Oh my God, let's see. How many points did that give us? Okay, that gave us a pretty good amount. What's this? Reverse mode, that would be pretty fun. Dark banana mode. Original stage. Cool. Toy mode, that would be kind of fun. Jump feature, that's what I want. I'm probably gonna play the other normal mode in the regular Super Monkey Ball and actually beat that, because that shouldn't be that bad. But good God, that was way harder than I thought. I'm probably gonna play that again, and once I get the jump mode and see if I can do it better. There's also DX mode, I don't know what that is, but I'm not gonna do any of that till I get the jump, because I'm only gonna use it like for the really expert or like hard levels. Just because I feel like it's not cheating, but you know, it's also like makes it easier. So I know one of the Monkey Ball games had it, but anyway, God, that was painful. But anyways, if you liked it, like the video, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of hilarious top tier gameplay, you know, that I provide everyone. So yeah, that's it. See ya.